Benji. That is you, that's me. Intercontinental carpenter. How are you, my friend? How about my whitewood assignment I gave you?
I've almost finished. I'm just putting some added touches into it.
But you must make sure that this place is well.
Sir. What about the woman? Has she finished paying money for the job, sir?
What's your concern about the woman?
But she paid for mahogany and we are using whitewood for her, sir.
What do you know about woods? This job is about joining woods together and deliver whatever to your customers and get the best into your own pocket.
But that's cheating, sir.
Shut up! You will never make it in this job. Get away from my shop. I must not see your leg in this workshop again.
Abba! This is corruption, not in my